So these are carolers. Coincide with the Christmas decorations here in Metro. These are all the decorated Christmas tree. This one here, that's 27,119. 27,119. That's an 8-foot Christmas tree, including the decoration. That's a 6-foot, including the decoration. This one is a different kind of tree with a flaked snow. $7-foot. The Christmas tree is $8,999, but you have it all decorated. It's $26,573. This is a white Christmas tree. Decorated is $21,196. This one is the 4,799 Christmas tree, the decorated one. They don't have the price for the deck. Are the white Christmas trees. 6 feet is $8,799.75. Ordinary 4 feet, metallic white, $1,999. 2,000, around 2,000 pesos. The 8 feet, like silvery white, 8 feet, $8,499. That's the 7 feet, it's $8,799.75. And the 3 feet is $999. They got a 5 feet here in gray. $3,799. So this is the 6 feet, $5,499. That's the white metallic white tree, $4,799, 7-foot. I have a big Christmas tree, but I need to change the decorations at home. I always have it in blue and silver. I'm thinking of changing it to this year. I want to have a different look Christmas tree. I like this all the flowers, the pink flowers and pink decorations. I think I'll buy some of this. All the bowls, like this one, the silver big bowls is $5.99.75 for 3 pieces. So those small bowls that you're looking at is $2.49, 6 pieces. So it's not cheap. I think because Christmas is approaching, but you can buy them cheap after Christmas, like this bowl. $449.75 for 6 pieces of different kinds of bowls. Ano ng flower, bouquet? Kani ba? Sa metro na daan. So they just decorate flowers on this. So you can see all the decorations available here in the traditional color. You get the silver bowls, $199.75. This one with like pearls, $399.75. Then we can see the lights. This LED 100 lights, $299.75. This colored one is $179.75. The decorated one, like this pointed one, 20 lights, $349.75. 30 lights of this, $399.75, and this one $399.75, 30 lights. The bowls, blinking bowls, $479.75, and this 40 pieces LED tube lights, $399.75 for 40 lights. Of course, they got the traditional twinkling lights. Like this LED, 100 LED lights, $299.75. They come in white, gold, and this multicolored LED, so you can feel it. It's not hot. They also got this rice lights, not LED, but it's hot. That's the thing about LED. They are very cold. They're not like this one. You can feel the heat. The rice lights are not LED, that's why it's only $179.75 to $69.75. So you can see all the decors here in Metro Ayala Center, Cebu. Angels on the top of a Christmas tree. This one is $1,299.75. So the 4-foot Christmas tree there is $2,399. This is cheaper. It's $899.75. Angel. And decorations like this is $79.75. We got the poinsettias. This one, 79 pesos each. This one is $129. each. So you got sprays. These are the sprays. This is 55 pesos each.